Normally, your Mac is set by default to turn off the display and go to sleep after a few minutes of inactivity. However, if you have a file open for reference or just don't want your Mac to turn off the screen, you can choose to extend the auto-sleep time. In this short video, we will show you how to change the sleep time settings of macOS Sonoma. So, let's get started. Click the Apple icon on the top menu. Select System Settings. Scroll down and select Lock Screen from the left sidebar. In the right window, click the drop-down menu next to Turn Display Off when inactive and choose from 1 minute up to 3 hours. You can also choose Never. If you're on a MacBook, you can also set Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive as per your preference. Here, you can also set screensaver time and waking up passwords. Select a time, then enter your Mac login passwords. After that, when you wake up, your Mac need to religion. Thanks for watching. See you next time.